Hello everybody, this is Yasser Ahmed and you are watching Arabic Voice channel. This series of episodes are designed to raise you 2 levels in Arabic. After finishing this course, you will be able to speak about many things and make complete sentences. In each episode, we will be focusing on one subject or 2 subjects. We will study a word and then we will make a sentence. I want you to repeat the sentence after me, and afterwards you write the sentence. Don't write words separately. Write the whole sentence in your notebook. And I promise you, after finishing this series, you will be able to make sentences in Arabic. And of course, this is not the end. You need to continue in studying Arabic, but finishing this course will raise your level a lot. In this episode, in our series of Learn Arabic for Beginners, we are going to learn jobs and family. Please get ready with your pen and notebook. Write the words and sentences. As I told you before, if you finish this series with me, your Arabic will improve a lot. Okay, let's get started. Our first word is مدرس, مدرسة. أبي مدرس. The second word is مهندس, مهندسة. أمي مهندسة. The third word is طبيب, طبيبة. عمي خالد طبيب. The fourth word is ممرض, ممرضة. خالتي ممرضة. The fifth word is موظف, موظفة. عمتي موظفة. The sixth word is مبرمج, مبرمجة. صديقي مبرمج. The seventh word is محاسب, محاسبة. أختي محاسبة. The eighth word is ضابط شرطة, ضابطة شرطة. أخي ضابط شرطة. The ninth word is طالب, طالبة. ابني طالب. The 10th word is تلميذ, تلميذة. ابنتي تلميذة. We have come to the end of this episode. Inshallah, very soon we are going to upload the next episode, so stay tuned. Please subscribe to our channel and share this content with your friends. We appreciate this a lot. Thank you very much and see you soon. Assalamu alaikum.